Your backup job is green. It's been green for months. Here's the uncomfortable part. Green proves the job ran. That's all it proves. Whether anything comes back, how long that takes, whether the copy you'll actually need still exists. The dashboard has no idea. And there's one moment you traditionally find out. A backup that's never been restored is a hypothesis. Same species as the untested IR plan from 2 weeks ago, with quieter failure modes. The service account rotated and jobs kept succeeding against half the targets. An increment corrupted mid-chain. Retention kept 7 days. You need day 9. The decryption key is documented inside the system that's now encrypted. And the new file share never got added to the job at all. Every one of these is invisible on a green dashboard. Every one is cheap to find on a Tuesday afternoon and expensive to find at 2 a.m. So here's the drill. 2 people, an operator and a scribe. Minute 0. Pick the target before you feel ready. One production system that would hurt Monday morning. The file server, the finance share, the PSA database. Not the easy one. Minute 5. Restore last night's copy to an isolated target. A spare VM, an empty VLAN, a cloud sandbox. Never overproduction. Isolation is the point. No egress, no risk. No permission slip from change management. Minute 35. Verify like a user, not an admin. Open 3 files. Run 1 report. Log in with a real, non-admin account. It boots. Is not. It works. Most silent failures live past the boot screen, in permissions, in application state, in the database that mounts but won't serve. Minute 40. Write 4 numbers. Minutes to restore. Gigabytes restored. Items verified. Today's date. The scribe signs the page, and that page is the whole deliverable. Restores work fine, is a mood. 47 minutes, 212 gigabytes, 3 files opened, signed, dated. That's evidence. The exact artifact insurance applications and enterprise questionnaires are asking for when they say tested recovery. Bonus arithmetic while the restore runs. Your real downtime is the data that must come back, divided by restore throughput. Every team knows the first number. Almost nobody has measured the second. So recovery estimates divide a known number by a guess. One-time drill replaces the guess with a measurement, and your next recovery conversation uses real math. One more thing, because attackers already know all of this. Ransomware crews go for backup infrastructure first. Delete the lifeboat, then light the fire. This month's exploited vulnerability traffic makes the point. A critical flaw in a major backup platform, reachable by any authenticated domain user on domain-joined servers. So, 2 architecture questions outrank every feature comparison. Does the backup console share credentials with your domain? It shouldn't. And does at least one copy live where a domain admin cannot delete it? Immutable, or truly offline. A backup you can't protect is a copy of your data for the attacker. A backup you can't restore is a hope. Fix the first with architecture. Fix the second with the drill. The whole thing is packaged, free. The restore proof kit, the 45-minute agenda, the restore log template, the 32110 self-check, a quarterly rotation planner, and the what to do when the test fails page. Because a failed test is a successful test. It found a real gap for the price of 45 minutes. Grab it at thesecuritygator.com. Book the drill, name the operator, stop hoping, start knowing.